Ever wondered, does Wave charge a fee? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of financial apps, specifically one that's been making a lot of noise lately, Wave. Now, you might have seen Wave popping up on your social media feeds, promising an easier way to manage your money. But with so many financial apps out there, all seemingly vying for a slice of your hard-earned cash, a big question pops up: does Wave actually charge any fees? That's exactly what we'll be tackling today. We'll be dissecting Wave's fee structure, exploring what's free and what might cost you a little extra. So, whether you're a seasoned finance pro or just starting your financial journey, this video is for you. Cutting through the jargon. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of fees, let's take a quick step back. Wave, in essence, is a mobile app that allows you to do a bunch of stuff with your money. You can send and receive funds, pay bills, manage your budget, all from the convenience of your phone. It positions itself as an alternative to traditional banks, aiming to be more user-friendly and accessible. But with traditional banks, there's usually a catch, right? Monthly maintenance fees, transfer charges, a whole list of things that can silently eat away at your savings. So, is Wave any different? The free stuff, let's talk benefits. Here's the good news: there are actually quite a few things you can do on Wave completely free of charge. Here are some of the key perks. Signing up. Creating a Wave account doesn't cost you a dime. It's a free download on the App Store, and registration is a breeze. Sending and receiving money. Transferring funds between Wave users is completely free. This can be a great way to split bills with friends, send money to family, or get paid for freelance gigs. Bill pay. Wave allows you to pay a variety of bills directly through the app, from your phone service to your electricity bill. And the best part? No additional fees for using this service. Hold on, are there any fees? Alright, so Wave offers a good chunk of functionality for free. But what about those situations where things might not be so free and easy? Here's where we need to pay close attention. Sending money to non-Wave users. This is where things can get a little tricky. Transferring money to someone who doesn't have a Wave account will incur a fee. The exact amount can vary depending on the transfer method you choose, but it's generally a small percentage of the amount being sent. Cashing out. If you need to access your Wave funds as physical cash, you'll likely be charged a fee for withdrawing it at an ATM. The fee can depend on the ATM network you use and might also be influenced by the amount you're withdrawing. International transfers. Sending money internationally through Wave can come with additional fees. These fees typically depend on the destination country and the transfer amount. Finding the fee info. Transparency is key. Now, navigating fees can feel overwhelming, but Wave does try to be transparent about their pricing structure. The app usually displays the fee amount up front before you confirm a transaction. This way, you know exactly what you're getting into before you hit that send button. The verdict: is Wave free? It depends. So, to answer our original question, is Wave completely free? The answer, like most things in finance, is it depends. For many everyday transactions, Wave offers a convenient and free way to manage your money. However, be mindful of fees when sending money to non-Wave users, cashing out at ATMs, or making international transfers. The final takeaway: weighing the options. Ultimately, deciding if Wave is the right fit for you depends on your individual needs. If you primarily use it for peer-to-peer transfers and bill payments within the Wave network, you can enjoy the benefits without worrying about extra charges. However, if you frequently need to send money to people outside the Wave ecosystem or withdraw cash regularly, the fees might start to add up. In those cases, it might be worth comparing Wave to other financial apps or traditional bank accounts to see which option offers the most cost-effective solution for your situation. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay informed and keep making smart financial decisions.